Before going to flash this ROM, you have to keep the backup of all your important data. Download all the files from the link given into our video description. I have created the full review of MIUI 10 on OnePlus 6. The link of that video is given into the right side card. So let's get started for the installation. Hey, what's up guys, you are watching for Tech. In this video we are going to install the MIUI 10 for the OnePlus 6 and the 6T because the ROM zip contains the ROMs for both the devices in the same zip, and the installation process is the similar for both the devices. Before flashing this ROM, you must be on the Open Beta 8 for the OnePlus 6, and for the OnePlus 6T user you must be on the 9.0.7. If you are not on these OS versions, then you have to flash both the mentioned ROMs before flashing the MIUI 10 two times in your TWRP. Here I am flashing the Open Beta 8 only single times because I am already on the Open Beta 8. Then you have to reboot your phone into the bootloader, that is the fastboot mode. Then you have to extract the MIUI 10 file on your PC. After the extracting, you will get this folder. When you open the folder, you will see that there are two bad files for the installation of your ROM, that is one for the OP6 and the another for the OnePlus 6T. Then you have to connect your phone with your PC. Here I am connecting my OnePlus 6. Then I will double click on the OP6 Windows installer, no format data. If you are using 6T, you have to click on the another file, that is the OP6T Windows no format data file. If you are using the another OS version, that is the Linux, you have to click on the Linux sh file. You have to wait for the installation process for the 10 to 15 minutes. When you see that at the end, that is the exit, your installation got completed. When you got that message, you have to disconnect your phone from the PC. Here it will says you press any key to exit. Then try to reboot your phone into the recovery mode. If it's not going to the recovery, then you have to manually boot your phone into the fastboot mode, connect it with your PC. Then go to the folder where you have placed the TWRP image. Right click your mouse, then select the open command prompt from here from the drop down menu. Then you have to type the fastboot flash twrp.image. Then your phone will boot into the 9.85 TWRP version. Then you have to click on the installer file, install the 9.8.5. When you again boot your phone into the recovery, then you will see that your data is encrypted. Here you have to click on the wipe and then select the format data. Then you have to type the yes, then click on the right mark at the bottom. This process will erase all the data on your phone. So keep the backup of all your important data before going to flash this ROM. Then you have to transfer your NFC crash fix file from the extracted folder from your PC to your phone. Then mount the vendor partition and then click on the install and install the NFC crash fix file. This file is specifically for the fixing the NFC bug on this ROM, but this will not help because I have personally tested it doesn't fix the NFC, but you can try that. Then you have to click on the reboot system, then your phone will boot into the MIUI 10. As this ROM is the port from the Miui 3 device, you can see the boot logo of that device here. This ROM is under the development, there are few bugs, but it's working flawlessly. It's a daily driver. I have created the complete review. You can see that video in the right side card. So guys, like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.